Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of Amcor. Although we have very limited amount of data for this company, but if you just check out the price trend, it has seen lots of volatility even in a very short amount of time. So let's start discussing about the stock. So as you can see, the higher end of the range, which is somewhere near 11 or 12 odd dollars, and probably the stock has been trading in that range. Okay, so this is your higher end of the range, which is $11.8. Now as you can see here, this is the lower end of the range. Okay, this is the lower end of the range. Now the lower end of the range, which is at $9, 9.3. Now understand, although there are lots of volatility in between, because from the highs of February 2020, where it was trading at $11, it falls 46% and went down to $5 on the downside, and it again went up. So this level actually I just want to exclude, because this is an exacerbation of the trend, and because of an event which is very rare. So I just excluding these things. So you have your support level at 9 and 9.39, and you have your resistance at 11.82 or 12 odd dollars, inside which the stock is almost flat and trading in between the range. So if the stock start falling below $9, then we are going to talk about the trend, or you can just okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to just expand this range. We are going to just expand this range, the lower end of the range, till 9.16 or $9. So now as you can see, the stock has moved toward its higher end of the range, which is 11.8 or probably $12 on the upside, 11.9, $12, and has been started correcting. So first of all, unless the stock sustain above $12, there can't be any new or fresh trend. Okay, so do not think about anything that something bullish are going to happen. And now, because the stock is near to the higher end of the range, or is at the higher end of the range, and has been already tested 11.6 and 11.82 and started correcting down, so then in that case we are going to find out our support. So our first support will come at $11, below which you have $10, 10.34, and then you have your next support at 9.68, followed by 9.39 and 9.16. So the first thing is, this stock has been inside a trading range and it hits on the upper end of the range. Now it's been started correcting, and probably we will see how things plays out, and where does the stock find its support or resistance level. So for now we are going to we are seeking out some support level which will give us a good risk reward ratio for the time being. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.